Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick, easy and simple fried chicken recipe. To get started, here I have my chicken already washed and prepped, and I'll be using chicken legs and thighs. I also have my seasoning here: chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, poultry seasoning, black pepper, seasoned salt, sazon seasoning, smoked paprika, and some complete seasoning. I also will be using some of my fresh green seasoning. Please be reminded that you do not have to use these seasonings here. You can use whatever you have on hand. I will leave a link to my green seasoning down in the description box for those that are interested. Now let's jump right in. Next, you want to combine all of the dry seasonings before adding it to the chicken. Then we'll make sure that the chicken is fully coated with that seasoning. We will also add the green seasoning, get in there with our hands and mix the combine. Once it's fully coated, we will sit the lid on and allow this to marinate for about 3 to 4 hours. If you have time and you can let this sit overnight, that would be best. Now let's prepare our breading. Here I have some all-purpose flour and some cornstarch. They're equal amounts. To that, I will be adding some garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, seasoned salt, bouillon, and black pepper. What you want to do is combine the seasonings into the flour, mix really well, and set it aside. Next, you want to add quarter of the flour and seasoning mixture to a separate bowl, and we will add some water to that. We'll mix it into like a pancake like consistency, and this will be used as the batter for the chicken. Once we're done, you want to add the bowl with the batter to the chicken and mix until it's fully coated. Now if you like, you can dip the chicken one by one into the batter, then into the flour, and repeat that process, but I find it to be too much work and I like to make things as easy as possible. So I find that adding the entire bowl with the batter to all of the chicken is way better. Next, you want to take your chicken from that wet batter and place it into the dry flour mixture. You want to make sure it's nicely coated because we want to get a nice breading onto that chicken. You want to press and squeeze, making sure it sits firmly, and then you want to shake the excess flour off and place it onto the rack. We will repeat this process until we're all done. Now while this is resting, you want to go ahead and preheat your oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to place the chicken into the preheated oil, and once you place them in there, you want to turn your heat down a little bit so that they won't cook super fast and burn on the outside and be raw on the inside. You want to cook these for about 15 to 18 minutes. It all depends on the size of your chicken. After about 15 minutes, I did start removing my chicken, and this is how they look. Absolutely amazing. We'll remove them and carry on with the same process. And here you have it. This is the most delicious fried chicken you will ever try. It's quick, easy, and super simple. And you could use whatever seasonings you have in your pantry, guys. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Don't go in the store and buy anything that you see me using here. All you have to get is cornstarch, flour, and whatever seasonings you have on hand. And that's it. You will have the perfect fried chicken. It's crispy on the outside, nice and juicy and moist on the inside. and it's delicious. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!